Are you tired of sluggish performance and stressing about the lifespan of your expensive diesel engine? Sludge, wear, and injector stiction can silently kill your rig and drain your wallet. Welcome back to AutoRift. Today, we are counting down the top 5 absolute best diesel engine oils and additives to keep your truck running like a powerhouse, starting from our premium heavy hitter down to our #1 pick. By the way, I've dropped the links to all these exact products in the description below so you can check current prices easily. Do not change your oil until you watch this. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Redline 15W40 synthetic diesel motor oil. At around $66 a gallon, it's an investment, but one that is worth every single penny. Formulated with top-tier ester and PAO-based stocks, it provides superior high-temperature stability compared to standard synthetics. Whether you drive a Chevy Duramax, a Dodge Cummins, or a Ford Powerstroke, this high-detergency oil guarantees maximum durability, improved ring seal for serious power, and unrivaled cleanliness inside your engine. Coming in at number 4, prepare for a massive game changer: Hot Shot's secret original Stiction Eliminator. To be clear, this is an oil additive, not a standalone motor oil, but it is absolute mandatory maintenance for diesel health. For about $46 for a 64-ounce bottle, this stuff is liquid gold. It's specifically engineered to restore up to 90% of failing HEUI injectors by eliminating stiction. Third-party testing proves it reduces engine wear by up to 62% more than oil alone. Just add 4 ounces per quart for your first cleanup and watch your truck's original power come roaring back. At number 3, we have the Mobil 1 European Car Formula 0 W40. If you are running a European diesel, this is your gold standard. Priced around $28 for 5 quarts, it offers mind-blowing temperature protection. It can handle blistering internal engine heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while still flowing easily during freezing cold starts down to -40 degrees. It's built to keep your engine running like new, giving you uniform synthetic molecules that reduce friction and prevent damaging deposits for up to 10,000 miles. Next up at number 2 is the Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic. At just under $24 for a massive 5-quart jug, this is a budget-friendly beast. If you hate doing frequent oil changes, you'll love this. Castrol guarantees protection for up to 20,000 miles or 1 full year between changes. Testing shows this formula is 3 times stronger against viscosity breakdown than the leading full synthetics. It's an absolute workhorse designed specifically for high stress, high load, and high torque daily driving. And finally, taking the #1 spot is a legend in the diesel world: Valvoline Premium Blue 1 Solution 10W30. If you drive a Cummins, listen up, because this is the only engine oil exclusively endorsed and recommended by Cummins themselves. Coming in at an incredibly affordable $25 a gallon, this American-made oil features proprietary 1 Solution Gen 2 technology to violently resist oxidation. If you're running a Cummins X15 or X12, this oil can even safely extend your drain intervals by an extra 5,000 miles. Whether you need the ultimate injector rescue from Hot Shot's secret, the endurance of Castrol, or the Cummins-backed Valvoline, these picks will extend the life of your diesel. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to AutoRift for more top-tier automotive content. Take care of your engines, and I will see you in the next video.